right, so here is the original color and look of the dresser before I sand all the drawers and restain it. So years ago we did a whitewashing. We stripped it. It was a chocolate brown, sort of the color of this right here, but darker, much darker. So we stripped it, whitewashed it, put a top coat on it. Top coat ended up turning it yellow. As you can see there, it turned it yellow, and it looks very old now. So I just want to make sure I give you guys a preview of the before. So this is how it looked.
All right, you guys, so the first thing you want to do is remove all of your handles and your knobs from your drawers. I would suggest to place them in a Ziploc bag or some type of container so you don't lose your screws. Now, I won't be reusing these. I'm actually planning on getting new handles for our drawers. So now I am getting into the sanding. So a couple of tips for sanding is definitely, number one, you want to go against the grain of your wood. So kind of like follow the lines of the wood in your furniture. And if you look at it, you'll see. And in this clip, I'm actually using a 120 grit sandpaper, which is like a medium sandpaper, which is good for smoothing. I would say start with a lower grit and then work your way up. So that way you don't start with like the highest grit and scratch and ruin your furniture. So you want to do that, and then you just take your time. And as you guys can see, I'm using the Ryobi sander. My husband got this for me one year for Mother's Day, actually, because he knows I enjoy these types of projects. But you can also just use the block sander if that's easier for you to control and manage. But basically you want the machine to do the work. So you're just going to go in a back and forth motion and slowly, just get that paint off of there. Now, I was going down to the bare wood because I plan on staining this furniture. So if you are staining, you want to go down to the bare wood. But if you're just going to repaint it, you kind of just want to get another smooth surface. And so here my dad was just finishing that up for me.
The final drawer done, down to the bare wood. Now I'm going to take a damp microfiber towel or a t-shirt. Actually, I'm going to go and clean up the edges and get all like the splinters. If there's any splinters, I'm gonna get those off. But y'all, my back is burning. So this is the final one, and now we're gonna stain them. So we are back to the stain. Okay, here's water base. I think we need water base because our thing was not. Okay, they have true black, but looking at it now, I don't think I want true black. Oh, espresso. I like the way espresso looks there. You like espresso? Mission oak. I don't know if I like that. This is true black. And this is a satin. I don't even think I want it. I don't know. You want a gloss or satin? No, I don't want a gloss. I don't want it glossy. So maybe yes, satin?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the real?
Oh, that's gloss.
This is the satin.
They don't have, yeah, but they don't have this color. These are the samples. Oh, this is espresso right here. That's a little too brown. This is true black. It's too dark, so I like the ebony. Or do I like ebony? I don't know. Shoot, I think now I'm like.
This is different espresso.
That's the gloss. That's the gloss espresso finish. It's the true black. What do you think you want, baby? And here's the weathered gray. And then that's just gray. And they got carbon gray over here, which is this, which I like. But yeah, I don't know. Alright guys, I am going to look at these things and see.